Okay, Houston, Challenger's at 2 minutes and 50 seconds.
Roger, Challenger, everything looks great down here.
Correct. Okay. I'm not going to be able to squelch him out anymore. Okay. Turn the volume down a little bit. Reading you loud and clear, America. This is Challenger. We're coming up on 2:10 from liftoff. We'll be with you shortly. Okay, Jack, double check your logic power breaker. Check. Okay, master arm is on. I've got 2 good lights. Same arm. I've got 400 plus 1 in. Okay. My watch is reset. Okay, you got 367. You want to pick up the camera just before I hit abort stage. One minute coming up, Gene. Take your final look at the valley of Taurus Littrell. Up from orbit. Okay, 1 minute, Houston. We're 50 seconds now, and we're go.
Roger, you're looking good here.
I'll get that at 30. Okay? Camera's not going to run without me holding it. The average D, 20 seconds. Ah, shoot. Okay, let's get off. Forget the camera. Okay, 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Port stage pushed. Engine arm is S. Okay, I'm going to get the pro. 99, proceeded. 3, 2, 1. Ignition. Right away, Houston. Regs are good. Ag saw it. Pitch over.
Roger, you have good thrust.
Okay, 30 seconds. 308 your number. Okay, coming through 1,500 feet, and H-dot looks good.
Roger, we've lost data right now, but we'd like aft Omni, please.
Okay, coming up on 40 seconds in, we're going. Coming right over top of Camelot. Awful lot of static, Jack. We break lock? Yep. Why don't you get it on an Omni or something? Yeah, I got it on the Omni. See if you can get comm back. Hello, Houston, how do you read?
Roger, Challenger, you're loud and clear, and both systems look good. You're right on the line.
Should be about 145 and minus 47. See if we can get comm. I will. Houston, we're in the blind and we're go.
Roger, we'd like the Ags to auto.
Okay, I got good luck. No. Trying to hold. Okay, Houston, coming up on 2 minutes.
Challenger, Houston, your go at 2 minutes. We'd like Ag smoke control auto. Over.
watch the table, Gino. I'm watching it. Just get calm if you can.
Challenger, Houston, how do you copy Houston?
Okay, Houston, Challengers, go. Coming up on 230. We're through 19K.
Roger, Challenger, we need a 623 plus 10,000 in the Ags, over.
Well, those are the angles. How about an Omni? I tried it. I've got,
Challenger, Houston, aft Omni, please. Would you relay America?
Okay, Houston, 3 minutes. The Challengers go. We're through 25K. I tried it, Ron, and it doesn't hold. Try aft Omni again. Doesn't help.
America, Houston, tell Challenger that they're right on the money on trajectory. Both systems are go, over.
Okay, Houston, in the blind, Challengers go, coming up on 325, 30K. Okay, there's aft. How do you read, Houston?
America, would you relay to Challenger to go aft Omni?
We are aft Omni.
Okay,
How do you read?
they are in aft Omni right now.
Okay, America, tell
And we're
Challenger
reading
we're
Houston.
reading them 5 by.